Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jeba's. Looking for a summer drink to beat the peltering heat? Here's not one but two amazing refreshing drinks that you can make and enjoy right now. First, to make the classical version mojito, take a 300 ml serving glass, add 2.5 tablespoons of powdered sugar, half a lemon cut into small cubes, and 10 to 15 mint leaves. Muddle the lemon and the mint leaves together using a muddler until the sugar dissolves away. You can also use a pestle or a rolling pin if you do not have a muddler. You know, muddling the lemon and the mint together will bring out its flavor and make the mojito much more delicious. Now, add 8 to 10 ice cubes, and for the written recipe, please visit my blog at www.deliciouslyjebas.com. Pour soda water until you have filled the glass with it. You can use either Sprite or 7-Up instead of soda water. Garnish with lemon rings and stir the mixture using a spoon. You know, this drink always is a hit during the summers given how hot it is outside, and my guests always seem to love it. Plus, they are super easy to make. Try this recipe and share your experiences in the comment section below, and serve this drink cold and enjoy. A small fact here, lemon and mint together aids in digestion. So here's another reason to try this out. Next, to make the watermelon mojito, in a small mixing bowl or jar, take half lemon cut into cubes, 10 to 15 mint leaves, eight to 10 tablespoons of watermelon cubes that's de-seeded, and gently muddle the watermelon, lemon and mint together to bring out all the flavors. You know, the mint and the lime blended perfectly with sweet juicy watermelon will make this the ultimate summer drink. This watermelon gives an amazing twist to the drink. Next, take a 300 ml serving glass, add 2.5 tablespoons of powdered sugar, few mint leaves, few watermelon cubes, and all the juice from the muddled fruit mixture. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Next, add 8 to 10 ice cubes. You know, on a hot day, this watermelon mojito is as refreshing as it gets. Place few lemon rings between the ice cubes. Pour the soda water or Sprite or 7-Up until you have filled the glass with it. If you are using Sprite or 7-Up, then reduce the sugar to 1 teaspoon. Stir the soda water using a spoon until the sugar dissolves. You know, watermelons are the perfect summer fruit, and taking that little extra effort to add it to this drink is absolutely worth it. You can substitute the sugar with honey or skip the sugar altogether and serve this drink cold. Please follow me on Facebook and Insta, and I'll leave the link below in the description box for you. You can also substitute any seasonal fruits of your choice instead of watermelon. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the notifications of my new videos. I'll meet you with another delicious recipe next week. Until then, it's Jeba signing off. Bye-bye.